Hello guys, Avneet this side from Cybercar Balinagar. Today we have installed accessories in Mahindra Thar. First of all, I would like you to show the headlamps that we have replaced. These are the projector headlamps which comes along with DRL. The color of this DRL can be changed easily using an application. The color that we will opt for, the light DRL color would be changed into that. Other than this, these headlights comes along with two projectors, one for the low beam and one for the high beam. The response of this headlight at the night time is very much impressive. You can check out the front view of the car. The color of the DRL has been changed into red color. Other than this, now I would like you to show the response of these headlights. Like as you can see, this is the low beam which has been turned on, and this is the high beam which is the dipper mode. Other than this, we have also replaced the fog lights of the car. These lights also have the feature of indicator available in it, and as soon as we turn on the fog lights, these lights will turn into white color. Moving on to the interior of the car, we have installed ambient lighting on the two door panels and on the dashboard. Other than this, we have also installed Maybach type AC vents in the car, which we have replaced with the existing ones. The color of these AC vents can be changed using a tap feature which is available, and the color can also be changed using an application which can be installed in any phone. We have also installed customized bucket fitment seat covers in the interior of the car. These seat covers are in black color along with ice grey color stitching. You can have a view of these seats. The pattern of these seat covers is OEM. Moving on to the rear side, you can also have a view of the rear seat covers. And on the sides of the seats, we have also installed armrest along with glass holder. The texture of this armrest is also same as that of seat covers. This armrest is in soft closure. On the rear side of the car, we have replaced the existing tail lamp with the matrix style LED tail lamp. This light also have the matrix turn indicator in it, which is available on the indicator mode, and these are the reflectors which we have also installed in the car, having an arrow shape on it. You can have a view of the rear side of the car. After installing the tail lamps, this is adding an elegant look to the car, and this is the indicator mode that has been turned on. The flow of this indicator is in matrix style.